What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Out, and we're getting ready for our Raz. This is part 2. This is the final part. We got no more cards to clear out. I was cleaning out the office and just found like literally stacks of cards from over the years. So got them all done. First one's already done. This is part 2. Good luck. Top name after 4 gets all these cards. Live. Good luck. Definitely a steal of a deal to whoever hits it. 640. Just turned 647. And here is your list of names. We got Brett down to Jeff. Top name after 4. Good luck. 1, 2, 3 is a timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is 647. 647 it is. Last and final will do it for us. Boom! Jeff, spot 10. Taking home this big pile of cards. Last and final timestamp for this one. Last and final timestamp is 647, and 647 it is. So congratulations, Jeff. Spot 10 done for you. You are taking home this lot of cards, and we're going to get it out to you on the next mail day, man. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you later for some breaks, and thanks again for joining us.